In this episode, we will select elements by using the class name. This method is similar to other method we used in the previous session. We can select elements in the DOM by using the class name with document.getElements by class name. Now, let's get started. In index.html, let's add a class called highlight to some of the items. Then, in script.js, let's create a variable highlights and use document.getElements by class name. Pass it a string highlight. Now in the console, I will type highlights, and you can notice that getElements by class name also returns an array like HTML collection. You can directly access any of this element using an index number and bracket notation like we did earlier. However, if you want to access and do something with the element all at once, you can iterate through the HTML collection by using JavaScript loop. In the previous session, we used for loop, but now I want to show you a different loop called for of loop. This is similar to for loop and it is more compact. So add for opening and closing parentheses, opening and closing curly braces. Inside the parentheses, add a variable, let's say const highlight, then add keyword of, and we need the name of array or HTML collection, which in our case is highlights. Inside the loop, we can do some action. For now, let's add underline to each highlighted items. So add highlight.style.text decoration equals underline. Check the preview, and now we can see underline to those items which have highlight class name. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will use CSS queries to select page elements. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.